Welcome to the elite world of superbikes, where precision is measured in microns. Here, engineering meets art, and every engine is a handcrafted masterpiece. The heart of the beast begins as a bare aluminum four-cylinder block. Every bore is measured against a standard of absolute perfection. CGI view. Inside, a hidden network of channels keeps the inferno cool. A sterile environment is vital. Even a speck of dust can cause failure. Forged piston strong, light, and designed for extreme high-speed combustion. A specialized assembly lube ensures protection during the first critical seconds. Piston rings are installed by hand, requiring a delicate, expert touch. Using a ring compressor, the piston is ushered into its precision-honed home. The fit is so tight, it creates a perfect seal for massive compression. With the pistons in place, the engine is flipped to reveal its bottom end. The crankshaft, the forged steel spine that will handle 15,000 revolutions per minute. Bimetal bearings are placed, designed to withstand incredible friction and heat. It is lowered into the journals, a moment where balance is everything. A dial indicator verifies that the axial movement is within factory limits. The connecting rods link the pistons to the heart of the machine. Digital torque wrenches ensure that every bolt is tightened to the exact Newton meter. Look at that one finger is all it takes to spin the entire rotating assembly. The lower case is ready to seal the engine's internal vault. A robotic bead of sealant is applied, a perfect line of liquid gasket. "20 bolts are driven home at once, creating a leak-proof union. Now we move to the cylinder head, the brain and lungs of the Superbike. 16 titanium valves are seated, ready to breathe at lightning speed. Dual rate springs are compressed, capable of oscillating hundreds of times per second. The cotters are placed with surgical precision, locking the valves in place. Adjusting the valves is a tedious process of finding the perfect shim. A feeler gauge confirms the clearance is thinner than a strand of hair. High-lift camshafts are lowered, the conductors of this mechanical orchestra. The cam lobes are polished to a mirror finish to reduce parasitic drag. A multi-layer steel head gasket is the only barrier against massive pressure. The head meets the block, the final major component of the power unit. A star pattern torque sequence prevents any warping of the aluminum head. Angle torque gauges ensure the bolts are stretched to their optimal strength. The cam chain is the vital link between the crank and the valves. Timing is everything. A single degree of error could mean total destruction. A manual rotation confirms that the mechanical timing is flawless. The slipper clutch is added technology designed to prevent wheel hop under braking. Each plate is stacked, a sandwich of friction and steel for maximum grip. The 6-speed gearbox is a marvel of close ratio engineering. The shift drum clicks through the gears, crisp, fast, and light. Magnesium covers are sealed with lightweight titanium bolts for weight savings. High-flow injectors are installed, ready to mist fuel into the intake. Gold-plated contacts ensure the electronic throttle responds in milliseconds. Coil on-plug ignition provides the spark that will ignite the fire. Behold, 200 horsepower in a package you can lift with 2 hands. Every engine must face the cold test before it ever tastes fuel. An external motor spins the assembly to verify oil pressure and flow. Sensors detect the slightest vibration, ensuring a perfectly balanced build. The technician stamp is a mark of pride and a guarantee of quality. The engine is hoisted, ready to become the stressed member of the frame. It is bolted into the chassis, merging the power with the control. Titanium headers are attached. The bluing of the metal will come later. High-performance coolant is added to the system for the final test. The bike is secured to the dyno. The moment of truth has arrived. The starter button is pressed, and the 4-cylinder soul wakes up. It screams to 15,000 revolutions per minute, a mechanical siren song of pure power. The power curve is perfect, a linear climb to industrial-grade speed. From a clean room to the racetrack, this is the pinnacle of production. Thanks for watching the mastery of the Superbike. This is Mass Production Marvels.